यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा नमो नमः. We have started 26th lesson, have completed Sanskrit sentences. Now we were supposed to do English one. So directly come on the page number 102, 102. Here we were. Shall I go through the previous sentences, Sanskrit sentences once? नृशंसेभ्यो गुणवतां भयं विद्यते. This one we had completed, right?
One not 109 or something.
102 we are going to do, right?
No.
This one?
No.
Then?
1 second.
Yeah, that one.
26 is 104. The sentences come in page number 108. 108.
Okay.
No, sorry, 108.
So we have completed Sanskrit one. Let's go through the Yoginah Phalashino Bhavanti. The ascetics are fruit eaters. Aparadhinam Makshamasva. Don't forgive the aparadhi people. Anujivine Kupyati Bharta. Bharta, the master, gets angry upon Anujivi, in the sense servant. Dasharathasya putraha namna Ramaha. The Dasharatha's son is Rama by name. Brahmanah prajaha prajayante. The all subjects are born from Brahma. The people are born from Brahma. Rajan, Kushali Bhava. O Rajan, O king, be well. Kanchuki Rajnyam Antapure Adhikritah Purushaha. The Kanchuki is the authority or the appropriate person to take care of Rajnyaha Antapuram, the chamber of king. भाविनो अनर्थान् ज्ञातुं न समर्थः अस्ति जनः. जनः भाविनः अनर्थान् ज्ञातुं समर्थः नास्ति. The people is not capable to understand or to know the future adversity. Ashmabihi ashvasya gatih kuntita. The gati, the speed of ashva is kuntita, it's obstructed by ashma stones. Jagat kartuhu mahimnam phalam sarvatra drishyate. So basically the fruit of creator's fame or mahima, power, is seen everywhere. Kshetragamina vartmana gachantam yatrikam apashyam. I saw a pilgrim going pilgrim by the path which goes towards Kshetra. Janasya kalyanaya yatamanena ramena atma klesham upaniyata. For the welfare of people, the Rama put himself into the kleshas. Atmanah putranam karmasu kaushalam prashamsati. He praises his own son's kaushadam, expertise in action. Krishna Vasudevasya Sadmani Vasam Ambarat Avatarantam Naradam Apashyam. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, who was living in the house of Vasudeva, saw the descending Narada from Swarga. Shrishenasya Rajnyaha Mahishi सूर्यं चंद्रं च आत्मनः उत्संगवर्तिनौ स्वप्ने अपश्यत्. So basically the queen of the king Shrishena saw the Chandra and Surya lying on her lap. Aparadhinah purusham dandayantu rajanah. The king should punish the aparadhi people. Ashmana iva nirmitam dushtanam hridayam parakiyasya dukkhasya shravanena na kadapi dravati. The heart is like a made of stone. Even having seen the others, heard others' dukkha doesn't get wet. So the dravati means doesn't melt. Okay. शुभानां कर्मणाम आरंभः कल्याणाय भवति. The beginning of good karmas is for the sake of welfare. जगता कुटुंबिनम मन्यन्ते आत्मानं साधुः. जगता साधुः आत्मानं कुटुंबिनम मन्यते. The sadhus are considered as a family member by Jagat world. प्राणिनाम उपकाराय एव साधूनाम जगति जीवनम. The life of sadhus is just meant for paropakara, प्राणिनाम उपकाराय, for the welfare of beings. प्रियवादिनां प्रियवादित्वं दैन्यं गम्यन्ते शतैः. शतैः दैन्यं गम्यते. किं प्रियवादिनां प्रियवादित्वं? The priyavaditvam, the word priyavaditvam is kindness of speech. The kindness of speech of kind people is considered as a dainya, the dainya weakness by Shathas. अज्ञानात् आत्मनः विनाशाय एव केवलं राज्ञा दशरथेन व्यालि इव कैकेयी आत्मनः सद्मने निवेशिता. The राज्ञा दशरथेन, by the king Dasharatha, Kaikeyi Niveshita. Kaikeyi was put Atmanah Sadmani, in his own house. Like what? Vyali Eva, like a tigress. For what? Ajnana. The reason was Ajnana, because he didn't know that he is going to ask something. Ramasya Vivasanam, Bharatasya Abhishechanam comes in Sangshepa Ramayana. It is a beautiful text. There she asks Ramasya Vivasanam and Bharatasya Abhishechanam iti. So this is how she asks, and the Atmanah Vinashaya eva, for the destruction of his own self, he had kept, the Kaikeyi was kept inside the house by Dasharatha. Prasannah bhavatah antaratma. Your soul is happy. दिनस्य पूर्वार्धे वृक्षाणां छाया आरंभे गुर्व्यः क्रमेण क्षैम्यः भवन्ति परार्धे तु पुरा लाघवः पश्चात् वृद्धिमत्यः भवन्ति. So basically in the first half of the day the shadow of tree is big and then slowly it decreases, and in the second half the same shadow is laghava and slowly vruddhimatyah paschat vruddhimatyah bhavati. So later it grows. हिम्नः संलक्षते ह्यग्नौ विशुद्धिः शामिकापि वा. So the हिम्नः संलक्षते अग्नौ. The himnah shuddhihi shamika. So basically the purity and impurity is tested in the fire of whose suvarnasya, the gold. The purity of gold is tested in the fire. So this is how we have completed Sanskrit. And now you have to go through English sentences. It's now done. First one is Devadatta is intelligent.
देवदत्तः मेधाविनी अस्ति.
मेधाविनी इति भवति वा? What is the word?
Medhavin.
Medhavin. If you decline, how will it go? Pullinga Shabda it is. Devadatta is Pullinga. If it is Strilinga, then Medhavin is fine. But he is Pullinga. So in Nanta noun you have to pick up. Yogi, Yoginau, Yoginaha. Similarly, Yogin is the word. It becomes Yogi, Dirghai. Similarly, Medhavin is the word. It will go like Medhavi, Medhavinau, Medhavinaha. Isn't it? So Devadattaha Medhavi.
Oh, so it is Prathama Vibhakti.
Prathama only. Devadattaha Medhavi asti.
Medhavi asti or Medhavinaha asti.
Singular. Devadatta is singular. It is a qualifier. Okay.
Okay, okay, it's Medhavini. Medhavi.
Medhavi. Dirghavi. Medhavi. Like a Jnani, Yogi,
Shashi, like that.
Shashi. Yes. Next. The father embraced his son with affection.
Pita
Hmm.
Swaputram
Hmm.
Premna
Hmm.
Shlishta.
Okay, slishtaha you directly use the kta pratyant form, that is also fine. Otherwise, aslishtata.
Ashlishtata?
Ashlishyata.
Ashlishyata. Okay.
Aslishyati means to embrace. Kusyati, to embrace. Akusyata. Aslishyata is good. Aslishtaha. Anyway, Nala was the son of Vishwakaram. Vishwakarman. What is that?
Vishwakarman, I think.
Vishwakarman. Okay, Vishwakarman. Vishwakarma. He was the son of Vishwakarma. Nala was the son of
Nalaha Vishwamanaha Putram Asit.
Putraha. Nalaha
Putraha.
Vishwakarma. Vishwakarmanaha. Actually, Vishwakarma is the word, na? Karma. Karmanaha. Vishwakarmanaha Putraha Asit. Vishwakarman is the word, right? Karma.
Yeah.
Then Vishwakarmanaha Putraha Asit.
So I said Nalaha Vishwakarmanaha Putraha Asit. Putraha Asit.
Putraha Asit. Correct. Okay. Birds fly in the sky.
Okay. Pakshinaha
Hmm.
Vyomni Dayanti.
Very good. Where Pakshini is also an Innanta noun. Yoman is Annanta noun. Yomni Dayanti. Dayanti, it is not a Parasmepadi dhatu, it is a Atmanepadi dhatu. So Dayante.
Dayante.
It is a Didayati is always Atmanepadi. Okay. Servants follow their lord.
Anujivanaha.
Anujivinaha.
Anujivinaha Bhartaram Anusarati.
Now here also you can use even Innanta noun. Swaminam.
Oh, Swaminam. Yeah, correct.
Kuranti. Nice. Trees grow on mountains.
Vrikshaha Shikharini
Shikharishu.
Shikharishu.
Mountain. Right.
What?
Plural it is mountains. So Shikharishu.
Mountains. Shikharishu. Vardhante or Arohante? Arohanti?
No, A need not to be used. Rohanti athva Vardhante.
Vardhante. Rohanti or Vardhante?
Either Rohanti or Vardhante is fine. Okay. I do not remember that the name of the boy.
Aham Balakasya Namna Namna Na Smarati.
Aham.
aham smarami, smarami.
So basically there is a plural, na? What is that? The name of boys.
Boys, balakanam.
So balakanam, their names also will be plural. So nama namani namani. Nama namani namani. So namani you are going to use. Prathama bahuvachanam. Aham, dvitiya actually.
Well, it says of, okay, balakanam namani.
नामानि द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन अहम बालकानां नामानि न स्मरामि ओके
Namani nasmarami. Okay.
shoes are made of leather
Upanaha चर्मनः निर्मितः चर्मनः निर्मितः सन्ति
upanah you are using plural right
या उपानहाः
then nirmitaah by
oh yeah निर्मिताः correct
then it will go
चर्मनः is correct
no let's use tritiya charmana even pancham
charmana
also can be used but tritiya is more appropriate charmana okay by charma by leather next or charmanah is also because they are just saying of leather so charmanah is also indicates sixth also same the fifth and whether you are using charmanah can indicate even panchami vibhakti which can be used as a hetu even tritiya is fine shashti to common hai वो तो चलती है ना तो anyway next Harid's ruin in the result of his actions.
Hari's ruin is the result of his actions हरेः विनाशं तस्य कर्मणां फलम्
Can you repeat again?
हरेः विनाशं
Vinashah.
हरेः विनाशः oh my lord I'll never get this
Pullinga.
तस्य कर्मणां फलं भवति
The mind of a guilty person is always suspicious. Nice.
अपराधिनः पुरुषस्य चित्तं सर्वदा सशङ्कमेव भवति
Ashankam eva bhavati.
आशङ्कमेव भवति okay
Sashankam. Shankaya sahitah ashanka sahitam. Ashankam iti. Sashankam ashankam is fine. Both way. The message of the king was taken to the king by the Chamberlain.
okay कंचुकिना महिष्याः संदेश the message you can stick or राजानं संदेशं नीतः
Okay. Taken. नीतः. संदेशः नीतः. अथवा कंचुकिना नीतः. Fine. Yeah. Next. Or directly you can use आनीयत.
आनीयत.
Niyate is a present. Past would be आनीयत. Purnatakaara. Aniyata. Through speaking sweetly, I speak the truth.
Aham, I just came up. I don't know if I'm right. Aham satyameva vadami, parantu madhuram bhasham vadami.
Speaking sweetly. Though speaking sweetly means what? Though I am a Priyavadi, still I speak truth. So basically, Priyavadi api aham satyam.
Priyavadi api. Okay, Priyavadi api.
Priyavadi.
Okay.
Priyavadi api aham सत्यं वदामि प्रियवादी अपि अहं सत्यं वदामि like that. The whole creation was born of Brahman.
ब्रह्मात्
आ नकार
न न ब्रह्मणः ब्रह्मणः सर्वं सृष्टिं जातः.
If you are using particularly Srishti Shabda, then Sarvam, Sarva Srishti Jata. If you are making passive, then you have to be little bit careful about vibhaktis. Brahmanah Vishwam Jatam. Brahmanah Srishtihi Jata. Right? Next, men are often anxious to know future events. I think it is not men, it is women, right?
What did you say?
Actually the women shabda should be put rather.
Well, men make women anxious. That's why.
Just for fun. Okay. Men are often anxious to know.
No future event. जनाः भविष्य अर्थं ज्ञातुम् उत्कण्ठः भवन्ति.
उत्कण्ठिताः भवन्ति. So basically, here the future is used in Nanta noun, which we had seen for Pullinga also, even neuter gender also. Bhavin was the word. Okay.
What is the word?
Bhavin.
Bhavin.
So भाविनः अर्थान् विषयान् वा ज्ञातुं जनाः उत्कण्ठिताः भवन्ति, उत्सुकाः भवन्ति इति. सोत्कण्ठाः भवन्ति. Next, Shiva is sought in the heart by ascetics.
In the heart of the in the heart by ascetics?
By ascetics. The Shiva is sought where? In the heart.
योगिभिः शिवः हृदये मार्गयति.
Margayati. Again, can you repeat?
योगिभिः शिवः हृदये.
Make a passive then. Same.
Oh, okay. Yoginaihi. Yogi.
It is passive. Just put kriya pada passive. I mean. Yogiभिः शिव हृदये मृग्यते.
Mrugyate. Yogiभिः, it is a karmani prayoga. Mrugyate.
Yes. His foot was placed by the king on the head of his enemies.
Okay, I was struggling with this. Tasya padam raja arinam murdhnam. What? I cannot hear you. Ari was placed on the heads of the enemies. Arinam murdhnam niveshita.
Not murdhna. That is the adhikaran. That is the adhar where he has kept upon the
Murdhani.
So basically, you can even use plural because there are many enemies. Heads of the enemies. ऐसा मेरे बुक में लिखा है.
Yeah, correct.
Murdhasu.
Okay.
Okay, so Arinam Murdhasu Raja Tasya Padam
Niveshita.
Padah निवेशितः राज्ञा तस्य पादः निवेशितः न्यस्तः स्थापितः
Yes. Sthapitah.
Next, educated man does not transgress the bounds of good conduct. Nice.
गुणयुक्तः पुरुषः शुभ आचारस्य सीमानं न तरति.
Tarati, langhate. Langhate is good word.
Langhate. Langhate.
Okay, so basically, an educated man, one who is educated, is called Vinitah. Vinitah,
Vinita.
Vinitah. In this part only we had seen, right?
I didn't see it in this part.
Somewhere we saw the Vinitah. Vinitah, Vinitah. Where did we saw them? Vinitah. Probably in previous then.
I think I should print this entire book and keep it because then I can look through it.
This is a very important book. Whenever you come to India, you can actually buy it rather than printing.
When am I coming? That is my problem.
Actually, you don't travel here. You don't come for a vacation or for.
Last time we came in December after some 5-6 years we came.
Mhm.
We had to do pilgrimage, to Tirupati and Karnataka, some places, Dharmasthala, Sringeri and all that.
Okay.
And then it was so limited. We didn't have any time.
ओके, विनीतः ऐसा शब्द कहीं जाता है, पता नहीं अभी बहुत हमारे गैप के साथ होता है ना अध्ययन, इसलिए वो जल्दी याद भी नहीं आते वो शब्द. एनीवे,
If you say that, I don't know what I have to say. Even what I studied yesterday also I cannot remember.
okay. An educated man can be called as a विनीतः विद्यावान.
Vidyavana.
विद्यावान is fine. विद्यावान तस्य
विद्यावान पुरुषः शुभ आचारस्य सीमानं न लङ्घते.
सीमानं न लङ्घते. Nice. On hearing intelligence of his happy sons in a distant country, he rejoiced. Yeah, it happens, right?
Okay. सः पुत्राणां मेधाविनं अपरे दूरं देशे शृण्वन् मोदितः.
Okay, having heard on hearing. Okay, so Shrin, what to do? Having heard, so basically what they mean is having heard the intelligence. Intelligence here doesn't mean medha. It means the varta. So basically, having heard the varta means of their happy sons, his happy sons, with the sons who were living in the distant country. He became happy, so he rejoiced. Saha Duram.
Kushalinam, I wrote for happy.
So Duram Nivasatanam Putranam Sukhavartam Shutva Saha Amodata. सः मोदितः अभवत् इति. Next. Affection for their young is shown by even the beast.
पशुभिः अपि तेषां कनिष्ठाय प्रेमानं प्रदर्शितः.
Yeah, youngs should be taken as their sons, their children. There, Vatsa.
Vatsa. Okay. Vatsaha.
Hmm.
Vatse. Vatse. No, Vatsa. Vatse.
Vatseshu. Saptami can be used shown. Darshyate. Vatseshu prema. So in forest, livelihood is made. I have sorry, affection for their young son. So basically, prema for vatsebhya. Let's use vatsebhya. वत्सेभ्यः प्रेम दर्शते पशुभिः अपि वत्सेभ्यः प्रेम दर्श्यते
पशुभिः अपि वत्सेषु प्रेम दर्शते.
here they are using the for their young और यूज कर रहे थे लेट्स यूज चतुर्थी वत्सेभ्यः आविष्क्रियते तो बेसिकली दे शो they do aviskar of their प्रेम to the for the वत्सल्स so पशुभिः अपि वत्सेभ्यः अथवा वत्सान् प्रति तेषां प्रेम आविष्क्रियते इति ओके नेक्स्ट in a forest livelihood is made by fruit eaters with ease
ओके. अरण्ये फलाशिभिः जीविकां सुखेन निर्मितः.
जीविका सुखे
जीविकाम I wrote.
no either if you have to using if you are making karmani then kartrupadam you are putting in tritiya that is fine but karma padam will be in prathama
vibhakti. जीविका.
जीविका
सुखेन निर्मितः.
निर्मिता जीविका is a strilinga so जीवेन सुखेन निर्मिता सुखेन क्रियते just make a सुखेन क्रियते जीविका सुखेन क्रियते
okay
he worship
okay so this is karmani prayoga.
He worshipped guests in his house as gods.
सः अतिथिन् तस्य गृहे स्वामिनः इव पूजित.
Yes, gods like say devaha iva.
देवाः इव.
Can you repeat again? You have made some mistake.
सः अतिथिन् तस्य गृहे स्वामिनः इव देवाः इव पूजिता.
Now pujita you cannot use because you are making saha. So it is a karma. Apujayat. Okay, 4 more.
But it is not karmani prayoga.
No, it is not karmani. It is he worshipped. It is just a simple.
Apujayat.
A man become famous by greatness of intellect. Yes.
मनुष्यः महता बुद्धेः कीर्तिकरः भवति.
महता बुद्धेः it's what you are not putting mahat as an adjective. If it is
I'm trying to make it as an adjective.
Then it should be both same in same case same vachana. You are using mahata in tritiya, buddhehe panchami or shashti. Both should be in same case.
महतः बुद्धेः.
So basically, manushyaha बुद्धिमहिम्ना प्रसिद्धो भवति।
प्रसिद्धे भवति, okay, प्रसिद्धः.
भवति प्रसिद्धः भवति, whatever you had told, that was also correct only.
I put कीर्तिकरः.
कीर्तिकरः भवति, that is also fine. The confidence of subjects grows in the good, grows in a good thing.
प्रजानां विश्वासः शुभे वर्धति. No, वर्धन्ति. No, वर्धति. I don't know. वर्धन्ति.
Confidence is singular. Confidence is
विश्वासः.
विश्वासः वर्धते. Where? In good king. शुभे राजनि राज्ञि.
Oh, in good king. I forgot king. I didn't realize there was a king. Okay. Rajani, is that what it is?
Rajani or Rajni, both forms will be there. Next, the fickleness of men is exposed by their own actions.
Naranam laghimanam tesham actions. Karman shabda I have to use. By their own actions. Karmanaha.
Karmabhihi.
I don't know what I couldn't complete this sentence. Exposed.
Avishriyate, darshate, pradarshate.
Darshate.
Okay. And last sentence, Brahma created animals and stones and the sky.
Brahma Pashavaha.
Same, they cannot be in same case.
Pashavan.
Pashu is a word. Guru.
Pashun. Cha Ashmanaha. Okay, Ashmanaha. Cha Akasham
cha Asruchat.
Prasruta. Okay.
This is how we have completed 26th also. Now there are only 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 6 more lessons, I think. For next, in 10 days, we shall be, in next 10 classes, we will be able to finish. So almost 50 classes is going to take to complete 32 lessons. Anyway.
Do you know, I sit and work on it for 2 days, okay? I go back and forth looking at the words and this and that, and then I mean, I have fun doing it.
It's nice to go through the words also, and learning new things is always for happiness. So I think we should enjoy it. Anyway, we'll do Mangalam.
Thank you so much.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Bye.